Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to explain how to install Kali Linux on a pen drive and how to use that installed OS separately. To do that we need to download first ISO image of Kali. So to follow this link and download the Kali OS image. You have to download appropriate Kali ISO image. Don't download other so from different website. Download from the Kali official website. I'm running Windows and my operating system is 64-bit. I'm downloading the Kali 64-bit version. Okay, here we go. So next I'm going to download the Win32 disk imager because to install the Kali ISO in a pen drive I'm using a Windows OS, so I need a utility software to do that. So I'm using that utility software Win32 disk imager. Follow this link and download. I am doing the download now. So already I download this, so I'm removing this one. You download and keep it. See, I'm already downloaded, and here it is the Win32 disk imager. Run it and install it. Install the Win32 disk imager. So you need to connect minimum 4 GB pen drive to do this installation. I am connected the 8 GB pen drive. Using 8 GB pen drive, minimum you need to use 4 GB pen drive. Okay, I'm drag and drop on the ISO into the Win32 disk imager. Okay, all selected. If you are selected, pen drive device is safe. Then click right to continue the work. Okay, yeah. So utility software automatically do the work. Once the writing is complete, we will eject the pen drive safely, and we need to shut down the machine. We need to switch on machine again. When we switch on the machine, follow what I am doing. Okay, do not format the disk. Okay, here it is. Now our pen drive is showing blank. It is written. So shut down the machine. Then I just connected my pen drive remote. Then switch on. Once you switch on, press F4 or F2, maybe F4, maybe. Mainly it is F4. Then this is the Kali running on pen drive. ISO running on pen drive. I'm choosing live system encrypted persistence option. You, you can use any option: live system forensics mode, live system failsafe mode, anything. So I'm going to run the live. I'm using the arrow key to go down to select the option like system encrypted persistence. Okay, after selecting the option, press enter to uh, run the ISO on that option. Here we go. So this is the method to install the ISO onto the pen drive and using the ISO calling Linux ISO. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Any question, ask in comment section. I'm not good in explain the thing. I think you all learned something from me. Thank you for watching.